What is going on, guys? So we're going out to a call out. Now this one's a bit of a bummer because I have been to the house before and they live at the back of Wanneroo. It's very bushy there, so the chances are is that by the time I get there, which is going to take me 25 minutes to get there, where it's not going to be there. I really don't think it's going to be there. But on the off chance that the snake's still going to be there when I get there, I'm going out. And so, just to put this in perspective, 25 minutes there, 25 minutes back, it's not a 2-second trip and it costs me a lot of fuel. We don't make a lot of money out of this. Like, we spend a lot of time. Just one trip like this could easily turn into an hour trip for me. And on top of that, the fuel expenses. So it's a costly exercise. And yeah. So let's go see if we can find this snake. Well, this is exactly what I was talking about with the time thing. So it turns out the snake was there and it's been attacked by the dogs. Now I gotta find somewhere for it to go. I've spent the last 20 minutes trying to find somewhere to take it that was close. And now I'm gonna have to drive another 20 minutes south to drop it off. Now I'm driving to Balcatta to drop this guy off, and I don't even know if he's gonna make it this far, so yeah. Let's go. This is the unpleasant thing about relocating. It's not all fun and games and look how cool I am. There's a lot of this stuff and a lot of people do it. We do a lot of running around like this, and especially it's Sunday, so finding somebody that's open that deals with reptiles is a pain in the butt. And unfortunately I'll drop the snake off at this vet and they will see it when they can. So it doesn't even necessarily mean it's going to be seen straight away. The native animal rescue place said that they don't have anyone there to euthanize them. They'd have to get somebody in, so if I can take it to Balcatta, take it to Balcatta. So, I mean, either way, it was going to be miles away from my house and miles away from where we are now. And I've spent 20 minutes looking for a place that's open, and then now I'm going to spend 20 minutes driving. That's 40 minutes on top of the 20 minutes. It's been an hour since they found him. So this guy could have been suffering for over an hour, and there's absolutely nothing we can do for it except for find somebody that can do something for it. So yeah, this sucks. And like I said, with the call out, the chances are is the snake's not going to be there, but on the off chance that the snake is there, I'll go. And I went and the snake was there. It's the same thing like this. On the off chance that this snake will survive, I'll take it to a vet. And hopefully, you know, I get a phone call and they say, the snake you brought in's okay. But I mean, yeah, it's hard. It is super hard. Maybe I should go do my vet nurse training so I can sort this stuff out myself. Well, it wasn't the best outcome. I didn't realise how bad the injuries were until we got there. I put him in a tube, which turned out to be way more difficult than I thought, because the snake definitely knew something was going on, so it was quite defensive because it was hurt. There was no movement in the back half of its body, so yeah, that's a bit of a bummer. So I helped her tube up the snake, and then she had to go euthanize it. So that was a bit of a bummer. Sorry about my stressy getting here. It's been Not a very nice end to the year, and I guess it never really is a nice end to the year. I don't know how I've put this video together at all. It's a bit all over the place. Had quite a bit going on. We're gonna go check out some Christmas lights tonight, and then yeah, I'll probably wrap the video up after that. So here's some Christmas lights. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great Christmas. I don't actually know how much filming I'm going to be able to get done over the next couple of days because there's a fair bit going on. Some good stuff and some not so good stuff. So yeah, take it easy guys, stay awesome, and remember, you can't fail if you try. See you later.